All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how the remote controller works for the X20 ATTOP Blue drone. All right, first of all, you've got a power button on it. It's on this side. That's how you turn the controller on. Once you've done that, you're going to see a little red button pop up there. Over on this side, you've got the launch button. Once the propellers are rotating, you hit that and the drone goes up, okay? It also is a return to home button or a stop button. You press it again, once it's up in the air, it'll just come down. At the very top, you have this thumb altitude controller. If I push it forward, this drone will go up, okay? If I pull it backwards, the drone will drop. If I push this to the right, the drone will rotate clockwise. If I push it to the left, the drone will rotate counterclockwise. Underneath it are two different types of circular motions that you can make the drone do. If you want it to spin in place, you would press that button. If you want to make a circle, a bigger, rounder circle, you would press this button here, okay? On this side, we have the forward control, the back control, the left and the right. And depending on the direction of which way you have it pointed, and if you look on the front, you're going to see there's a camera. All right, when the camera's facing this way, you see here's the camera, I'm facing forward. And if I push this controller forward, the drone moves forward. If I pull it back, the drone comes back. If I push it to the left, the drone moves left. If I push it to the right, the drone moves right, all right? But if you turn it around, and let's say you have the camera facing you, when I push it forward, it comes forward. When I push it back, it goes this way. If I push it left, it goes to my right. And if I push it right, it goes to my left. So if I push it this way, it goes here. If I push it that way, it goes there. It all depends on which direction you have this. So wherever this is facing, doesn't matter where it's facing, wherever it's facing, when you move this controller, it's going to go forward based on the angle of the camera. It's going to go backwards based on the angle of the camera. It's going to go to its left, not yours, which would be right if it's facing you, and so forth. So you're going to have to practice. All right, on this side, you've got a 3D flip, and if you press that, what's going to happen is it's going to go like that. The drone's going to flip upside down. All right, and if you press it again, it's going to continue to flip again. Boom, like that. All right, so if you press that, it flips upside down. Press it again, it flips upside down. So that's if you're going to be doing some cool tricks. Over on this side, you've got the speed control. You can increase the speed. When you do that, you're going to hear beeps. If you hear 3 beeps, that's the fastest. 1 beep is the slowest. I would recommend 1 beep. This right here is where you put your phone, and you must connect the app for this to work. And that means you're going to connect it to your Wi-Fi. You have to download it from the Apple Store, and I have a video on that. And I'm going to show you how that all works. Here we go. Left, right, forward, back, left. All right, let's see if we can get it to spin right there. Forward. So I'm doing different things here. So if I want to go to the left, I got to go to the right, right? And then let's go back. Let's come down. Down. There she is. Forward. So I've got the camera facing me. Let's go ahead and do a spin. Now it's facing the other way. Forward, left, right, left, right, forward, back, left, right, forward, back. I hear a beeping sound, so I think we might have to land her. Let's see if we can land it. Oh, there we go. Bam. That battery's dead. All right, so that's it. I think we did pretty good. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.